Murder. Murder. Look at my tetas. You look like... Oh my god! Look at your hair! Holy shit, look at him! Oh my god! Holy crap, you look weird. Get away from me, Josh! Oh my god!
Oh, look at my hair!
Look how big my face is compared to yours! Ow, stop it! Quit it. Stupid. You look at anime kid. I think it looks retarded. Look at your hair. A big hair. So weird.
Looks crunk, dude.
Okay.